Welcome to 168 Treasure View Drive in Libby, Montana. I'm Kerry Mann with ERA Lambros Real Estate. Come with me and check out this amazing property. This property is thoughtfully designed with multi-generational living and unmistakable Montana charm. With 5 generously sized bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, this home offers comfort and flexibility. Spacious, light-filled living areas and a kitchen that's truly the heart of the home, making it the perfect place for entertaining. This home sits on over 2 acres, and exterior features include a circular driveway, an oversized garage, a fire pit, a 2,400 square foot shop, and more. This property is truly a treasure.